preparation for the upcoming Samba Festival.
Exciting! Hey, how many of you love to dance? Wow! Now let's make some noise if you love to Samba.
That's great, everyone. Okay, now to help us out, we would like to introduce two of our very special Samba loving friends.
Oh, we're going to love them. They're blue in color and black with beards, and they are in love. Do you know who they are?
That's right, it's Blue and Jewel. Now, we want you all to clap your hands twice and shout out Blue and Jewel. Are you all ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please get excited. Shake your tail feathers and make some noise. Blue and Jewel.
Do you see them all, I do. Hello, everyone.
Glad you can make it to the audition.
Wait here, you've been planning something special.
I have. Are you ready? For what? Oh, wow. Okay. Couples crazy love hawk.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing? I wasn't talking about kissing. I was talking about the song we've been rehearsing for the festival.
Oh yeah, our song. That's where I was going with that thing that I just did. It was in a dance move. Hit it!
If it's fun with you, I know when you're alone you feel it too. And it's where I wanna be. 'Cause being with you gives me sanity. Oh, listen to me, darling. I wake up every morning thinking about the way you feel. Oh, I wonder if you know it, and what good is a party if you're not around? Listen to me now. What good is love if it's not your love? What good is love if it's not your
Our next guest, we have a lot. Are you ready? Here comes two notes along to work out the level. We bring the beat, this beat, and the stagger in the samba. Get excited and give it up. We're going to sound it over. And think of and
This is a crazy party. I'm so glad I'm with everybody. You know your body, take it to the ground. Break it down, Blue. What's a song if you can't hear it too? Can't imagine dancing without you. A shooting star ain't really nothing to see.
if you're not right here dancing next to me. Oh, listen to me, darling. I wake up every morning thinking about the way you feel. Oh, I wonder if you know it, and what good is a party if you're not around? Listen to me now. What good is love if it's not your love? What good is love if it's not your love?
wow, that was incredible, you guys. It was it. Come on, everybody. Let them hear you.
Man, that definitely felt right. We threw down.
You were like fire and ice.
Thunder and lightning, hip and hop, cheese and sprinkles. Huh? It's an American thing.
Come on, my handsome lovebird. Practice makes perfect.
Nico, Pedro, where have you boys been? You're both please.
Clapping for musician early. We are ready to party. To samba, so they say. They certainly look very talented, don't they? Never judge a bird by its beak. The only way to tell is to dance it out. I'm not looking for a singer, but a dancer. Oh yeah. Let's get moving. get some jiggle. And finally, something that really pops.
I knew this was dancing like a teach them.
Alright, time to get our groove on.
Now, to make this fantastic, we need everyone to participate in this next dance. Who would like to join us? Fantastic job! Thank you!
Well. Is this a celebration having help? I'll be pooping on this little party proper. Step aside. I heard an audition is taking place.
Hi, Nigel. No, yes. Your invitation must have gotten lost in the mail. But now that you are here, show us what you got. Yeah, stop that yapping and get to flapping.
Time for a professional to show you how it's done. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified. I kept thinking that I could never live. I could barely fly. And I spent, so many nights thinking, how he did me wrong, and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. Go on now, dog. Walk out the door. So turn around now. It is I who have the floor. Once you were the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye. Did you think I crumbled?
Oh no!
Did you think I lay down and died?
Oh no, not I!
I will survive. As long as I know how to hate, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live,
And he's got all his luck to give.
and I will survive.
You will survive.
I will survive.
He will survive.
I'm a survivor. I got the army of time. I've been training the game and eating my fiber. You were staying alive when I was staying alive. I watched where you sit when I spit my saliva. I'm like, ooh, you never seen a cockatoo rocking and shocking and dropping and popping and rocking too. Watch what I can do without no auto-tune.
What? Oh no, he didn't!
If you try to keep me down, I'll just come back strong. If you try to cut me short, I'll just come back wrong. If you beat me at ping pong, I'll just play ping pong. Give me my full, I am ready to fly. One thing I know, I will survive. Yes, thank you, thank you. My performance was so striking, so suave, and so delicious. Now, why did I not get an invitation to your little soiree? An oversight, I presume. What's the matter? Swallow a feather?
Nobody responds to me. Everybody here, look! You are a star!
Let's hear it for Nigel!
Wow, what was that awful singing? It sounded like a cockatoo being squashed by an elephant.
No, honey. You meant to say we found just the talent we were looking for, right?
Oh, yes, Blue. Just the star we were looking for.
Exactly. In fact, we're just about to show Nigel the dance we learned earlier. Everybody ready?
Oh, Joe Maracas. How do I fit into this little routine?
We hear your voices. I'm just playing. Maybe you'd like to do
To help or not to help? That's the question. I do have the best rhythm in the jungle. Really, you couldn't do it without me.
My thoughts exactly. Ready, Nigel?
Born ready. Lights, camera, action!
Get up, yeah. What's up? Don't fight it. What's up? Don't fight it. We're my birds. We're together no matter where we may go. Get your wings. Have a song. It's the emerald we treasure, coming from the jungle to you. Bam.
Beating like it's heartbeat, playing rhythms with love.
It's the emerald we treasure, coming from the place where we live. It's where we live.
The moment freedom and happiness.
Just like the river, the jungle's like a breeze. It's a wonder. Look it out, you tutu in case someone asks you to dance.
Nice hat.
I know, right?
That's it. You know what? I think all of you are more than qualified to dance at the festival. Sensational. Now, let's celebrate.
Summer festival, here we come. This is awesome.
You're my one and only Congratulations on making the cut. You rock.
Please give yourselves a big round of applause.
We should really take their car, email, Twitter, proof of face. But first, we want to meet all of you.
Yes! Let's take some pictures with our new summer festival friends.
But I'm vile and villainous, vicious and malicious. Who wouldn't want to take a picture with me?
All right, friends. Don't go anywhere.
Thank you so much for joining us here at Santa Rio. Now, in preparation for photo opportunity, please organize the line at the right side of the stage to make sure that everyone would have wonderful photos together with the gang of Rio. Alright. She's excited.